Very fun in the spring.
So we are here at Knott's and we're gonna go through Ghost Town. Just we have to use the restroom before we start our day, but this is where we're at. It's pretty not that crowded. We're gonna try some rides that we haven't tried. And stuff. We already got our Starbucks. So that's all we're gonna be doing right now. Just taking turns because we're holding it the Starbucks. Um, but right now we're gonna start in Ghost Town. So let's go. They have a little train going around the store. This is a Snoopy store next to Camp Snoopy.
No, I thought.
And turn it on, baby. Just press the button on the side. I want that giant Snoopy. Oh, these are nice, babe.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like the material?
Oh, Snoopy Doggy.
They have Snoopy jewelry too. With the backpacks. We were looking at them the other day. The last time we were here. They still aren't decisive of which one we want. There's never a mug with my name on it. See, there's Jose.
There's what?
They have a mug with your name on it. They have Gabriella, but two L's. That's not how I spell it. They have the one that you like on the other side. We found Woodchuck. I don't know why I keep saying Woodchuck. His name is not Woodchuck. It's Woodstock. And then Snoopy's over there. I was gonna take a picture. That was exciting. That we got to see him. Now we're gonna come over and take a picture with Snoopy. And there it goes. The church spin. Oh jeez. What do you think?
What I think?
You want to try it
Do it later.
later?
Everything goes down before we.
Yeah.
They, you know, a lot of people don't like nuts, right? Or they're not fans.
Oh my god. It reminds me of Tom Sawyer. Yeah. It's so fresh in here. Look, here's another one.
think it's like the one in Six Flags, but although Six Flags is bigger.
The one at Six Flags.
Six Flags has one of these. It's just bigger. It
But
goes,
the one
like,
at Six
higher.
Flags goes all the way around, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It goes like
Yeah, I know. I think I've only seen this one at the fairs.
which one?
This one at the fair.
That one goes big.
And then they also have the Viking boat. We've done that one before.
The boat?
Boat, yeah.
But
I wanna see this
one's
one.
not going. Alebrije?
Alebrije. Uh-huh.
Well, guys, we're nuts. That's his name.
So this is Los Voladores, and it's the swings at Knott's. It's gonna be the first ride of the day.
Let's try this for us.
And we'll rate it after. Because we're not allowed to record on it.
Yeah, you can't record no rides. Maybe just the train.
Yeah, just a
I
train.
think the train you can.
I think that's all the only one that you can record on. And then
I
just so
think
you
that's it.
and then so you guys know too, it is a cashless theme park. So make sure you guys deposit or get the cards they have here
Do you have
for
a
you.
card?
Yeah, have it. Just because we forgot to deposit, so we got one of those cards. So it's an experience that we're also doing. And then I lost my train of thought because they were yelling. Yeah, so it's a cashless theme park. So you guys know.
Wait, which was the normal queue?
So we just got off the swings. Jose says it's a lot faster than the ones at Disney. I believe so. I felt very stressed on the ride. So right now we're over here headed over to Jaguar. And to update you guys,
Jaguar right here. It's the one. It's 5-minute wait, so we're gonna do this.
so to update you guys, they still haven't found my fill rod. Even after I told them where I dropped it, they still haven't found it.
Keep a lookout for low hanging out. be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted to kingdom come.
Sounds scary. Kaboom! Later, yeah. So we're looking at the drinkware. It says purchase refillable drinkware pot, blah, 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 blah. Pay $8.99 for an all-day refill. So you'll buy the cup, and every time you come back, you just pay $9, and you can refill your cups anywhere. Isn't that cool? I just want to know what cup I want. This one's cool too. Look, babe. It has all the name of the rides.
Refills all day?
Yeah, for $8. For $9. But you, huh?
You can use it another day.
Yeah, you can. You just bring it back with you and you can. Want me to ask? Let me ask. I'll be right back. So we did the boysenberry factory right now. And now we're doing Pony Express. Never been on this ride, so I'm a little nervous but excited at the same time.
I think this song, well, it was on TV. That on the Andy Griffith Show, there was a family called the Darlings. Remember that? Well, they were actually the Dillards, as we all know.
Blacksmith.
No, it's not very far. It's been here for 86 years now with us. We've been fortunate of it since it was brought here, though, of course, not me personally. There's been lots of smiths through here.
Well, you've been here for about 7 years, you said?
Yes.
That's pretty good, man.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, if I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't still be here.
So, listen up, Lindy Rose. That means that he's turning. That blows air underneath, right there, from underneath.
What's that?
The air is coming from underneath.
Yes. So it's feeding air in through the side here, and it goes through the piping beneath the forge. That lower assembly is what we refer to as the queer. And it goes through the lower piping and up into the fire pot from underneath. The fire pot is what's holding all the burning coals.
Oh, wow.
You're at the blacksmith.
You know, you can not convert to one stone. By doing that, you can throw a grill on top and grill your food at the same time.
Well, I would
So we got the strawberry funnel cake here at Knott's. Jose's already digging in. I'll put that right there so that we can hear both of us. How much was it?
14. What does the strawberry taste like? What do it taste like?
Like strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Like if it's freshly made here.
It might be. Let me see if it is made here.
You can even hear the crunch. Look. We're sitting right here by the.
Knott's funnel cakes are widely considered excellent. They're the best in everything park.
The only other funnel cake we've had was at Disney, and it was a Halloween one, no?
I think this is better than this. Way better. This is like homemade strawberry. It's good.
It is.
I'm sure I don't like.
Look. I'll show you closer.
So we didn't get it with the ice cream. Maybe next time, but it might be good with the ice cream.
Yeah. I think it would make it more soggy, you know?
Yeah.
Now you guys can see. Me too. It's really good. It's refreshing. Not like the other jams that are like very like tart. That one's really sweet.
Very fun in the spring.
In the spring.
Yeah, the rides there. There's gonna be a lot of foods.
I can't wait for boysenberry.
You start this weekend? Next weekend?
I don't know, but I'll put it down in the description, or I'll put a flyer up on the screen.
I'm gonna have cake with boysenberry.
I love boysenberry.
Oh, baby.
I thought you weren't allowed to smoke it.
You can. She did it all fast. There was a kid behind her. Cool kids around.
And they're like, "Oh, was it me? Was it me?" When they get caught.
I think the strawberry has like berry or something.
Strawberries are berries.
No, but like, it's not like strawberry. It's not the strawberry, it's a jelly, no?
It might be like an all berry jelly, and then strawberries added to it.
Oh, sauce.
So
So
I was
Asbury
gonna,
Farm is closed now.
I was gonna say
it's-
Disneyland. No,
it's
yeah.
empty though. Look,
Look how empty it is. Yeah.
everybody's gone. I think they leave. Yeah, right when they close. I mean, there's nothing to really do. But yeah, it's empty now. We're just walking around through Camp Snoopy area.
Yeah. To see what we see.
No pasa que los digas a those guys. I know we're just looking this way.
No. Oh, they're restocking. Are they changing the stuffies? That way? Oh, okay. So there's only one way to exit then, which is this way, the way we were going originally.